Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with Starbucks Reserve, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding what Starbucks Reserve is. Starbucks Reserve locations offer a unique coffee experience with rare, high-quality beans. Research the types of investments available in Starbucks Reserve. Explore direct investment options, such as opening a franchise. Consider the benefits of investing in company stock via Starbucks publicly traded shares. Evaluate your investment budget and goals before proceeding. Visit the official Starbucks Reserve website for the latest updates and offerings. Identify the key locations of Starbucks Reserve and their market potential. Conduct a thorough analysis of the coffee industry and consumer trends. Network with current Starbucks Reserve investors to gain insights. Examine potential risks associated with investing. Review the financial health of Starbucks as a whole. Check if Starbucks Reserve is expanding in your area or in new markets. Look for community engagement plans of Starbucks Reserve that might enhance local investments. Consider attending Starbucks Reserve events to learn more about the brand. Keep up to date with news and developments from Starbucks. Once you feel informed, start with a small investment to gauge the experience. Monitor your investments and make adjustments as needed. Stay engaged with the coffee community and Starbucks Reserve updates. Reflect on the performance of your investment periodically. Continue educating yourself about investment strategies related to hospitality and retail sectors. Make informed decisions based on your research and experiences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.